Welcome to story time about yarn today. We're going to start off with our hello song. We clap and sing hello, we clap and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we clap and sing hello. We wave and sing hello, we wave and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we wave and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello, we stomp and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we stomp and sing hello. Very good. All right, let's get our spiders ready. We're going to do the itsy bitsy spider on this bright sunny day. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Good job. Okay. Next, we're going to do another little poem, and it's called Little Lamb, and it's based on Teddy Bear. So everybody stand up. Goes, little lamb, turn around. Little lamb, touch the ground. Little lamb, jump up high. Little lamb, touch the sky. Little lamb, sit right down. Little lamb, get ready to listen now. Okay, our first story is Little Owl's Orange Scarf, and it was written by Tatiana Feeney, and it's read with the permission of Alfred A. Knopf. Little Owl lived with his mommy in a treehouse on the edge of the city park. He loved adding numbers, eating ice cream, and riding his scooter. He usually loved surprises, but he did not love his new orange scarf. It was itchy. It was too long. It was far too orange. You need to wear your new scarf, said Mommy. It will keep you nice and warm. Little Owl tried very hard to lose his new scarf. Oh no, he wrapped the present for Grandpa with it, and he tried to send it to Peru. But Mommy always found it. You need to wear this scarf today, said Mommy. It's your class visit to the zoo. Little Owl came home from the zoo with all sorts of stories. Grrr, snap, munch, trumpety-trump. But Little Owl came home from the zoo without his scarf. Oh no! Mommy called the zoo. Nobody had found Little Owl's scarf. Never mind, she said. We can make another scarf, and this time we'll do it together. The yarn shop was more exciting than Little Owl expected. Which color do you think he chose? After a lot of hard work, Little Owl's scarf was finished. It was soft, it was just long enough, it wasn't orange. Little Owl loved it. Especially on visits to the zoo. There's his orange scarf. The end. Okay, now I have a flannel board, sort of, and it's called 5 balls of yarn, and it goes like this. 5 balls of yarn. Oh, let's count them first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls of yarn sitting in a bowl. One fell out and it started to roll. It bounced on my foot, and there it sits. How many balls are left to knit? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls of yarn sitting in a bowl. One fell out, and it started to roll. It bounced on my foot, and there it sits. How many balls are left to knit? 3 little balls of yarn sitting in a bowl. One fell out, and it started to roll. It bounced on my foot, and there it sits. How many balls are left to knit? Let's count them. 1, 2. 2 balls of yarn sitting in a bowl. One fell out and it started to roll. It bounced on my foot and there it sits. How many balls are left to knit? One little ball of yarn sitting in a bowl. It fell out and it started to roll. It bounced on my foot and there it sits. How many balls are left to knit? We're all out of balls of yarn. I hope our project is done, or we'll have to go to the store and buy more. Our next story is called Where is the Green Sheep? And it was written by Mem Fox and illustrated by Judy Horchak, and it is read with the permission of Houghton Mifflin Harcourt. Here is the blue sheep, and here is the red sheep. Here is the bath sheep, and here is the bed sheep. But where is the green sheep? Here is the thin sheep, and here is the wide sheep. Here is the swing sheep, and here is the slide sheep. But where is the green sheep? Here is the up sheep, and here is the down sheep. Here is the band sheep, and here is the clown sheep. But where is the green sheep? Here is the sun sheep, and here is the rain sheep. Here is the car sheep, and here's the train sheep. But where is the green sheep? Here is the wind sheep, and here is the wave sheep. Here is the scared sheep, and here's the brave sheep. But where is the green sheep? Here is the near sheep, and here is the far sheep. Here is the moon sheep, and here's the star sheep. But where is the green sheep? Where is that green sheep? Turn the page quietly and let's take a peep. Here is our green sheep, fast asleep. The end. Next we have another flannel board, and it's called Mary's Many Colored Lambs. And here's Mary, and it goes like this. Mary had a little blue lamb, little blue lamb, little blue lamb. Mary had a little blue lamb whose fleece was blue as sky. Mary had a little green lamb, little green lamb, little green lamb. Mary had a little green lamb whose fleece was green as grass. Mary had a little red lamb, little red lamb, little red lamb. Mary had a little red lamb whose fleece was red as strawberries. Mary had a little yellow lamb, little yellow lamb, little yellow lamb. Mary had a little yellow lamb whose fleece was yellow as the sun. Mary had a little purple lamb, little purple lamb, little purple lamb. Mary had a little purple lamb whose fleece was purple as grapes. Mary had a little pink lamb, little pink lamb, little pink lamb. Mary had a little pink lamb whose fleece was pink as bubble gum. And the last one, the last lamb that Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Okay, we have one more book to read, and it's called Knitty Kitty, and it was written by David Elliott and illustrated by Christopher Dennis, and it is read with the permission of Candlewick Press. Clickety-click, tickety-tick, Knitty Kitty sits and knits. A hat for me, Knitty Kitty? Yes, little kitten, a hat to keep you cozy. Tickety-tick, clickety-click, Knitty Kitty sits and knits. Mittens for me, Knitty Kitty? Yes, little kitten, mittens to keep you toasty. Clickety-click, lickety-split, Knitty Kitty sits and knits. A hat for me, Knitty Kitty? Mittens for me? No, little kitten, a scarf to keep you comfy. But snowmen like to be cozy too. At least that's what kittens think. The winter moon rises. Knitty Kitty rings her bell. It's bedtime for kittens everywhere. Come along, little kittens. But the kittens can't sleep. We're not cozy, they meow. We're not comfy. We're not toasty. Don't worry, purrs Knitty Kitty. I have something to keep you warm. What is it, Knitty Kitty? The kittens cry. Me! And the kittens are cozy and comfy and toasty. Night-night, little kittens. Night-night, Knitty Kitty. Night-night, night-night. Night-night. The end. And the next thing we have is the craft. And it's a yarn butterfly craft, and this is what it looks like. And in the kit, you get, 2 sticks, and I already glued them together. And then you get 2 pieces of yarn, chenille stem, 2 glue dots, 2 googly eyes, and 2 little beads that I think just rolled off the table. So when you do this, you just glue 1 piece of string to the center and then wrap it around and then glue at the end, and then do the same thing on the other side, and then put the chenille stem in and twist it around a couple of times, and then twist it at the top and make the little antenna, and then slip the beads on it and put the googly eyes on. And you can pick up the kit at the library, either in the atrium or at the drive-up window. And our last thing to do is our goodbye song. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands for all our friends. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands for all our friends. We wave goodbye like this. Join us next Thursday for Story Time with Miss Alice. Have a great afternoon.